Hello everyone, my name is Shin. I'm 3 years old. Today I will read a book named Cool Dog, School Dog for Julia, Madeline, Amy, and Rick Sams, who were there at the beginning. To my good friend Joe Hickman. Tin Cat is a fun dog, a fun dog, a run and run and run dog, a joy dog, a boy's dog, a chew, a brand new toy dog, a sign dog, a cry dog, a have to say goodbye dog. Tin Cat is a grown dog, a mourn dog, a hate to be alone dog, a peak dog, a sneak dog, a spring and sprint and sneak streak dog. Tin Cat is a cool dog, a school dog, a breaking all the rules dog, a peak dog, a sneak dog, a spring and sprint and streak dog. Tina is a cool dog, a school dog, a breaking all the rules dog, a whole dog, a bulldog, a crash into the wall dog, a vroom dog, a boom dog, a messing up the room dog. Tin Cat is a bad dog, a sad dog, make our teacher mad dog. A hey dog, a stay dog, a has to well go away dog, a pleat dog, a neat dog, a come and help us to read dog. Tin Cat is a sweet dog, a treat dog, a sitting in her seat dog, a look dog, a nook dog, a love to hear a book dog, a yay dog, a hooray dog, a please come every day dog. What is Tin Cat feeling? Big. Tin Cat is happy. Tin Cat is a fun dog. Why does she feel that way? Because she is playing with the boy. If your pet went to school, what would they do? If you don't have a pet, what do you think Tina would know if she went to Alisa Terry? Draw a picture of your pet or Tin Cat at school. If your pet wanted to school, what would they do? Would they? They would not, because pets do not to learn and read and write at school. Goodbye.